Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorial how to create countersink hole. Create new drawing, change into part design, create body, create sketch. I will choose top plan. Or you can draw rectangle, click close and use pad tools to convert into 3D. To use hole tools, you need to create for profile. So I will select in the top face, create sketch, and I will draw circle. Click close and you can click here to create hole. So if you want to change this hole into countersink hole, you can click on hole cut type. So you can set like into this countersinks to be automatically change the holes, and you can change for the diameter by clicking at this option. You can increase the diameter this, and if you're done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorial how to create countersink hole. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.